Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aryan Solihin, and today I want to talk about my emotions in learning English and some psychological factors that influence my learning process. Learning English is not always easy for me. Sometimes I feel excited, sometimes I feel motivated, but sometimes I feel nervous and afraid of making mistakes. So from Diane Larson Freeman's interview, I learned that emotions are very important in language learning because they affect how students learn and communicate. The first psychological factor I want to explain is motivation. So, motivation is the reason why someone wants to learn something. In my experience, motivation helps me continue learning English even when I face difficulties. I learn English because I want to improve my communication skills, understand international content, and get better opportunities in the future. When I feel motivated, I become more active in practicing vocabulary, watching English videos, and speaking English with my friends. So, the second factors is anxiety. Anxiety means feeling nervous or worried when using English. I often feel anxious when I have to speak English in front of other people because I'm afraid of making grammatical mistakes or pronouncing words incorrectly. Sometimes this anxiety makes me less confident. However, Daniel Larson Freeman said that making mistake is a natural part of learning a language. So, because of that, I try to see mistakes as a learning process instead of something embarrassing. And another important factor is confidence. When I practice more often, my confidence slowly increases. For example, when I answer question in class or make presentations in English, I feel proud of myself. Even though my English is not perfect, but I realize that confidence helps me speak more fluently. So beside that, enjoyment also affects my learning. I enjoy learning English through music, movies, game, and social media. These activities make me learning more interesting and less stressful. When I enjoy the learning process, I can understand English more easily. And the last is conclusion. Psychological factors such as motivation, anxiety, confidence, and enjoyment have a big influence on learning English, and my emotions can either help or disturb my learning process. And from Daniel Larson Freeman's ideas, I learned that emotions and mistakes are normal, and in language learning, and students should continue practicing without fear. And thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.